Hi everybody, it's Haley Zavarro. Today I want to show you a really cool option on Padlet. It's a way to write on the world map. So students actually choose where they want to place their pin or their note, and they add a note. They can add a picture or a voice message or anything like that. The teachers can choose the type of map that they like. It could be anywhere, all sorts of maps. It could be just a regular map, black and white, dark. This one has like a vintage look. And this could be very interesting also for geography teachers. And the way to add notes is really just to add a pin. So if you still don't have a Padlet account, you should know that it's limited up to 4 different maps or boards, and you can actually archive some of them and add more. And there's also an option to delete some and add more, so you always end up having 4. And you can also pay the monthly fee, which is quite low. It's not more than 20 shekels per month, and then you can have unlimited amount of boards. So the way to do this is just to go to padlet.com and log in. And then you can log in with your Gmail, your Google, your Apple account. The way to archive your Padlet boards and make some room for new ones is to go to the 3 little dots here and click Archive. In order to start a new board, you click Make a Padlet and you choose Map. Select. Now you want to give some instructions and a name for your board. For example, introduce yourself through a place, and here you want to write more specific instructions of what students need to do, whether they need to comment on each other's post, give feedback or anything at all. Here you want to choose the map style, and after you do, let's say you chose this one, it will be changed. You go back and you can make comments. You can enable comments so students can give feedback to each other, and you can also enable reactions. So here you can choose whether you want a heart. Students can add hearts or maybe votes, because maybe you're voting on different ideas, so maybe 5 stars or numerical grades. You also want to click on share and make this public. So you click change privacy and you change this to public. If you want to add a password, because perhaps your students are going to be adding pictures, you may want to protect your Padlet with a password, and then click save. So in order for students to add notes, they simply click the plus sign and then they search for a place. So let's say I want to choose Tel Aviv, Israel. I click and then a pin opens up or a note, and then I can introduce myself through that place. I can say I was born in Tel Aviv in 1981, and by clicking on the little arrow I can actually upload a picture of myself. I click pick file and a picture is uploaded. Students can actually add their own, and then you can actually move around the map. You can also zoom out and see everything in one place. And then students can actually comment and react on each other's notes. They click the little bubble here and they add their comments. For example, I was also born in Tel Aviv, and then the little arrow, and they post it. And so you have a little thread for every picture. They can also click the heart and add that they like it. So don't forget, you can also have students record their voice and practice presentation in front of an audience. Students click on the plus sign and they choose a place, let's say Venice, Italy. And then they click on the three dots, they click voice, and they start recording by clicking on the little microphone icon. Hi everybody, I chose the city of Venice because I think it's the most romantic city around the world. It has beautiful houses, rivers, and wonderful people. Then students click playback and save. They can listen. Hi everybody, I chose the city of Venice because I think if they like it, they can click save. And it's done. It's here. They can add a little note about it, and the other students will be able to click play and listen. Hi everybody, I chose the city of... So what other activities can you do in class using Padlet maps? So one idea is introduce yourself through a place around the world. Write 3 facts about a city of your choice. So you want to adapt it to the age level, right? Write 3 sentences describing a country of your choice. So if they are older, you can have them do some web quest and find out details about certain countries and write a little paragraph or 3 sentences describing a country. Write a riddle about a certain culture. Place the post-it note on the relevant country. Students can actually comment on each other's notes and write the answer in their opinion. What is your favorite place around the world and why? Record yourself and tell us about one place you would like to visit. Why would you like to go there? So I hope you like my ideas about using Padlet maps in the English classroom. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.